Hey everybody, what's going on today? So I've been putting off this project. I wanted to make an ugly drum smoker for a couple of months now. It's starting to get nice out now, and we're all in quarantine for COVID-19. So I figured, why not start this project today? I have a drum, a food grade drum that I picked up. It's green right now. I'm going to sand all the green off the outside. It came with a lid as well. I'm going to use my drill with a couple of different wire brush attachments here. I'm not sure which one works the best yet. Whatever one works the best, I'll let you know. The lid is a little bit rusty, but we'll sand that off. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna paint it all black. I've got to take off the lining on the inside of the drum here, because once it gets smoking, it obviously won't be good for the meat to be smoked in. Have to do some holes drilled in down here at the bottom for vents to go in. I'll get those pieces later on this week possibly. I also will have to put in some bolts in the side to hold up the grill, and I'll have to make a charcoal basket at the bottom. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do all this, and I will tell you which attachment worked the best. Alright, see you in a minute. Don't forget to use a safety glass to protect your eyes. I don't know if those little brass bits on the wire bristle brush will come off or not. So I'm going to protect my eyes, and probably not the best to be breathing in all that paint, so I'm going to wear a dust mask too. So I tried a couple of different wire brushes. I tried this one. The only spot that it really worked for was on this round edge right at the edge here, and it worked really good for that. Other than that, it was pretty much useless. Then I used my 4-inch, I believe it is, wire brush. Worked okay. It took me, I don't know if you can see this or not, 3 hours. I got a lot of rust on my lid. I'm gonna have to work on that too. It took me 3 hours to get this all sanded off. I didn't even try the side yet. Don't forget that inside this beveled edge here, there is a little gasket. I just used a screwdriver and pulled that right out. But I was getting bored. An upgrade. So we're going to use that, and we're going to use this, and we're going to see how it works out. Okay. This has taken me about a half an hour, and I'm almost done the first third. So this is definitely a way better way to go. Okay, so small problem. I can't, my arms aren't long enough to use the grinder and be able to grind the bottom third of the barrel. So I have drilled in my air holes for the air intake pipes. I'm using those holes as airflow for when I crawl into the drum in order to grind it. This is not fun. This is very dirty. I just hope it turns out really well, because this is filthy work. Anyway, so the air is going in the hole. And then I have my shop vac taped to a hole on the other side, and I've got it turned on, and it is sucking the dust out. I'm also going to be wearing my earmuffs, my respirator, and my safety goggles. I'm going to have my hood up over top of my head to keep the dust out as much as possible. So the grinding is all done. I managed to do it in about 5.5, 6 hours. I've seen other videos where it's taking them about 3 hours to do it, they said. Awesome, good for them. I don't know how they did it. Great, I wish I could have done it as fast as them. So this video is probably gonna be part 1 of 3 or 4 other videos. I'm gonna try to get them all posted relatively quickly. I have all the stuff, I just have to do some assembly, and I have to do some more drilling right in here. And I already did the ones at the bottom, you saw that. Thanks for coming along with me on the journey. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to start smoking stuff on this, guys. It's gonna be insane. Hey YouTube, thanks a lot for coming on this journey with me. This is gonna be a 3 to 4 part series on building this ugly drum smoker. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna post videos on smoking different stuff once it's all done. Watch for the next video coming shortly. Thanks, bye.